G. Husayan. Pair contestant number 1. Let's give them a warm round of applause. Pair contestant number 2.
The escort, Teen Oliver G. Young, born on the 10th day of October 2002. He is 5 years old, and he believes in the saying, every man dies, but not every man really lives. The son of Mr. and Mrs. Edwin M. Young, and currently residing in Barangay Maricaya, Gloria Oriental, Mindoro.
The muse, we have Zaina Ismay O. Solas. Ismay was born on March 18, 2003. She is 5 years old, daughter of Mr. Eduardo and Mrs. Wilma Solas from Malayon. For her, one accord, always accord. Ladies and gentlemen, there's the muse, Zaina Ismay O. Solas, with her escort, King Oliver G. Young. Let's give them a warm round of applause.
Pair contestant number 3. The escort, Gian Jetro Bunyag, born on the 13th day of January 2004. He is 4 years old, the son of Miss Virginia Bunyag, and residing in Benite Gloria Oriental, Mindoro. For him, winning is not the most important thing. It's the only thing.
Benzo! Benzo!
His muse is Hannah Marie V. Sarsha. Hannah is 4 years old
Benzo!
and the daughter of Mr. Silvestre and Mrs. Marie V. Sarsha. Hannah Marie is from Maligaya. For her, it's not important whether you win or lose in the game, but the important is how you play the game. Ladies and gentlemen, Hannah Marie V. Sarsha with escort.
Gian Jetro Bunyag.
Let's give them a warm round of applause. They are the 3 pairs of contestants. First pair contestant, Marco Lorenzo Husayan
And the muse, Astis Sarah Ernestine Diri Lortar.
second pair contestant, we have King Oliver G. Young,
And Zaina Ismay O. Solas.
and the third pair contestant, we have Gian Jetro Bunyag.
And Hannah Marie V. Sarsha.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the 3 pairs of our candidates from the pre-elementary department. Let's give them a warm round of applause. Okay po, mga anak ko, andito si Ma'am Becky. Music po, pakipatay po muna ng music. Si Ma'am Becky ay saka si Teacher Feli. Nasa kaya si Teacher Feli? Mama Feli, ating tatanungin itong ating mga mababait at magagandang mga anak. Parinig ko, ano? Tatanong sa inyo, no? Tapos, dalakpan ang boses sa pagsagot. Ano po? Sige. Si Ma'am Becky ang magatanong. Ano po? Teacher Feli, ikaw maghahawak mo rin. Okay. So, bubunot, ito naman ay medyo na bigyan na ni Teacher Feli ng kaunting orientasyon kahapon. Okay. Sabi ng teacher, ipi. Okay. Bunot ng isa. Okay, bunot ng isa. Bunot, kuha ng isa. Yan. Ano kayang inihanda ni Teacher Feli na tanong? Akin na, babasahin natin. Ito po si Teacher Feli ang naghanda dahil ito ang Okay, tanong. Ano ang sasabihin mo kay Teacher Penny kung nabasag mo ang flower vase niya? Ano ang sasabihin mo kay Teacher Penny kung nabasag mo ang flower vase niya?
Sorry po, teacher.
Okay, sorry po, teacher. Palakpakan po natin si Marco Lorenzo Usayan. Sorry daw po, teacher, kung nabasag niya ang flower vase. O, si Ace naman. O, Ace, kuha lang isa. Ay, Ace na lang pa. Ikataglit. Okay, o, kuha lang isa. Pili. Yan. Ano kaya ang inihanda naman ni Teacher Peli? Basahin niya natin, Ace. O, Ace. Ano ang kumakain ka ba ng gulay?
Apo.
Okay. Ay, bakit daw, sabi ni Teacher Peli, kailangan kumain ng bata ng gulay?
Pampalakas po ng katawan.
Okay, palakpakan natin si Ace. Pampalakas ng katawan ang gulay. Dahil ibang bata ay kumisan ayaw kumain ng gulay, kaya lahat ng bata kumain ng gulay. Oh, ano kaya naman? Ano kaya ang inihanda